How to sign out Canva account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to sign out of Canva account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and now in the search bar, search for canva.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Canva. Make sure you are logged in and now in order to sign out, tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of your device. You will see various options. Scroll down and find the sign out option and tap on that. Once you tap on the sign out option, you will be successfully logged out of Canva. If you have saved your login info, then you can simply tap on your account to log in easily. And if you want to log into some other account, then you can tap on the continue with other account option. So this is how you can sign out of Canva account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.